Welcome to Are You Faster Than a Cop Car? On this episode, we find out if a family crossover Toyota RAV4 is any faster than a V8 cop car.
And representing the police cruiser is our 2019 Dodge Charger retired police cruiser, and this thing has the V8 engine, 5.7 liters, 370 horsepower through all wheels. I think it's gonna win.
And today's contestant is not just any RAV4. This is a plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime. And under the hood is, well, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. But don't think about the engine because it combines itself with a lot of electric power for a total of 302 horsepower. Yes, it's a plug-in, and I think it has a chance of kicking the cop car's butt. Brendan, just listen to this statistic about the brand new 2023 Toyota RAV4. Toyota has sold almost 40,000 of these crossover SUVs just in August of 2023.
Crazy. I didn't know that they could build that many.
I know, and what's even cooler is that I have the most powerful current RAV4. It's the Prime.
Yeah, but it's still a RAV4, Andre. This is V8 American muscle.
Well, yes, but this is family mover, American family mover, and I am going into sport mode, and I'm gonna kick butt.
All right, I wish you the best of luck, sir.
I am ready.
Ditto.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, Rav! I heard the chirp of tires. Wow, and I'm out accelerating a V8 all-wheel drive Charger. Crazy. I'm still pulling away. Oh boy, dude, and I have a great time. 15.07 quarter mile. Woohoo!
Well, I'm quite a bit behind you at 16.2 at 90 miles an hour. And, well, this car's got almost 150,000 miles on it, so I'm sure some of those ponies have escaped over time. And not only that, but up here at a mile above sea level, electric power really doesn't lose the power that a naturally aspirated engine does.
So the answer so far is that the RAV4 Prime is quicker than a cop car. But what about the rolling race? What if I'm just driving on a road at 30 miles an hour and I do something bad and you're next to me and you want to chase me?
Well, let's find out. I think that's an interesting test.
So do you want to set the pace?
Yes, it's my mile per hour certified. I'll set the pace here at 30 mile an hour. Let's see, I'll get us up to speed here.
His speedometer is certified.
All right, there's 30. You ready as soon as we hit those cones?
Wow, I have instant power. Bam! It just goes. And I'm still accelerating. Wow, this RAV4 is impressive.
Geez, I think that gave you even more of an advantage, Andre.
Well, my friend, I think I know what's happening here. First of all, I have instant power. As soon as I put my foot down, I could feel acceleration. And you have a older, I would say, maybe a little bit ancient 5-speed automatic.
Yeah, that's true. But, you know, these cop cars did come with some upgraded brakes. Maybe we should test that next just to see if I can outbrake it.
Whoa, dude, yeah, I mean, this RAV4 and your car actually weigh about the same, so this will be very interesting.
Alright, Andre, so for this test, let's get up to 60 miles an hour. I'll set our pace, and as soon as we hit the start-finish line, we'll slam on our brakes and see if we can stop the shortest amount of distance.
I got you, man.
Okay, I got 60.
I had a lot of ABS. Wow. This is close.
All right,
So,
what do I do?
to the front wheel hub, it's 103, almost 104 feet, which is actually,
That's actually not bad.
no, it's one of the better results
Yeah.
we've ever had.
I feel like we've had Corvettes that didn't do much better than that. So considering this is a pretty heavy, Charger, I'd say that's a pretty good performance.
With very, very inexpensive tires, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got the finest, cheapest tires you can get.
Versus Yokohama's, right? You
Yeah.
know, fairly fancy, high-priced crossover tires.
It's true. Let's see just how much you beat me by.
Wowza. 98 feet, which is actually under 100 feet. I don't believe that.
That's a really good performance. In fact, it might be one of the top 3 cars as far as braking goes we've ever tested.
So we usually don't test like exotics, right?
Right.
Racing Porsches, Lamborghinis. That's not TFL
No.
forte.
we test the everyman cars.
Exactly, which,
Yes.
like I said, they sold 40,000 of these last month.
Right.
Well, this is kind of a shocker. I never expected a family crossover RAV4 to out-accelerate and out-stop a cop car.
Yeah, I mean, and it's not like this car is particularly old. This is a 2019 V8 Hemi Charger muscle car, and
Yes.
it just lost to a hybrid?
Yes.
Wait, isn't that a $50,000 hybrid? What the f***, Andre? $50,000 for a RAV4?
Yes, technology is expensive, but as you saw here, well, by the way, this is just for fun.
Yes.
So please don't try to out-accelerate a police car in the real world, because even if you can out-accelerate one police car, there's nothing faster than radio and nothing faster than a helicopter.
Yeah, so although you may beat one cop car, you're not going to beat all of them.
And as always, check out oldtfl.com for everything automotive in one place.
Take care, guys.